Hey guys, I made wooden ornaments in the shapes of houses and trees. I got a bunch of these canvas corner wedges from my auntie and wanted to make something with them. I cut off the angled ends using a back saw and miter box. They ended up being rectangles that were 1.5 inches by about 3/4 of an inch. I used 5 pieces per ornament. I sanded the corners until I got the angles that I wanted. Then taped them together to see if I needed to sand down the corners more. I used a finer grit sandpaper on all sides. Then used wood glue to connect the pieces. I let them dry overnight, then sanded them again. I painted them using acrylic ink. Added a loop to hang them, and here's how they turned out.